Hello, my friends, and welcome to the second lesson of the intermediate course in Greek. Today, we are going to talk about the Greek prepositions. Okay, what are the prepositions? How do we use them? What are the most important prepositions, etc., etc. So, let's start. The first thing that I want to mention is that this is an ebook that I will put in the description, okay, and you can download it for free. So let's start by saying what are prepositions. Very easy. Prepositions are small words that show the relationship between two parts of a sentence, usually between a verb or a noun and another noun or a pronoun. Okay? They tell us where, when, how, or why something happens. And this is a very, very interesting thing because in Greek, the etymology prothesis come from pro and thesi, before the position, because they are placed before a noun or a pronoun. But let's see the prepositions in action. So let's go to this phrase that I wrote earlier, okay? And let's see uh, where is the preposition, okay? Here it is, okay? Ο Νίκος πηγαίνει στο supermarket. So Nikos, he goes to the supermarket. So this is a preposition, to the supermarket, okay? If I write also ο Νίκος πηγαίνει στο supermarket με την Maria, okay? As you can see here, we have another preposition, okay? So you have this me. But let's see the most important prepositions all together, okay? These are the most important ones, and I will put it here so you can see, okay? So we have in Greek the preposition we use all the time are me, okay, with, that means with, se, that has many translation. It can translate it as in, at, to. We have the preposition ya, for, apo, and they are usually followed by ton, tin, to, okay? So we have me, okay, se, ya, apo, and se. We will see something later about this. But remember that we have me, se, ya, apo. These four are the most important ones. Okay. I want to mention something very, very important here that all the prepositions, most of the time, they are followed by the articles ton, tin, to. For example, let's do an example. Είμαι, okay, I'll write here, είμαι από την Αθήνα. Okay, από την Αθήνα. What it means, I am from Athens. Okay, you see that I used από την preposition plus the article. Okay, or we can say είμαι με, let's put here, είμαι με την Maria. I am with Maria. Okay, for example, this is another example. You see that we use me preposition plus article plus the noun. So these are the most important prepositions. Me, se, ya, apo. One thing that we have to say is that all the prepositions me, ya, apo, ton, it goes with ton, tin, to, but they are not combined. Only se, okay, it's combined. Very, very important to remember this because here we saw είμαι από την Αθήνα, είμαι με την Maria. You see, they are not combined. We don't say a thing like είμαι την Maria or I don't know, like την. Let's put ya that it means for. Την. No, we say ya tin. Okay, so that's very, very important. Only se that we're going to see, as we saw here on our first example, it is combined. Okay, or let's say I will use another example. Είμαι στο σπίτι. Okay, I am in my house. Okay, είμαι στο σπίτι μου. You see, I didn't say, let's use the marker here. I didn't say είμαι σε plus το σπίτι. No, I said combined, στο σπίτι. Very, very important, this one. Okay. So here we can see the combinations. We have stone for the masculine, we have stin, and we have sto for the neuter. So stone masculine, stin feminine, sto neuter. Okay? So A small thing again, με, σε, για, από, these are the prepositions that we use all the time. They are all only se it's combined and the others, they are not combined. Okay? Another very, very important rule that we can see in this page is that all the prepositions, okay, all the prepositions, they go with the accusative form. Let's check it. Από την Αθήνα. Okay? If this is accusative. If you don't remember the cases, I advise you to go see the first course that is for beginners and it talk about the cases more in detail. So after every preposition, we have the accusative. This is accusative. This is accusative. So supermarket is accusative. Okay, είμαι με την Μαρία. This is accusative. Στο σπίτι, it's accusative. So after every preposition, that is SOS, SOS, okay, preposition, okay, plus accusative. Very, very important. In this case, okay, there is some exemptions, okay, that I'm going to show you right now, but only a few exemptions use the genitive case, okay? For example, κατά, that means against, λόγω, it's something that we use a lot in Greek, it's because of, let's read the example, λόγω της βροχής, okay, δεν πήγαμε. Because of the rain, we didn't go, okay, the concert, στη συναυλία, for example. Είμαι υπέρ is like in favor of something. Okay, so all the prepositions go with accusative. Very, very important to remember this one. Only these are go with genitive. Okay, so we saw the prepositions. Okay, what are they and the most important ones? Here, of course, this is a full ebook on the prepositions. And of course, if you have time, you can check all the prepositions that we have in Greek. Prepositions of time. Let me show you. We have different kind of prepositions, but today we're going to show only the important ones. We have here preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement, etc., etc. If you have time, you can check them all by your own rhythm, of course. But today we're going to see a little bit the prepositions of place, okay, that we use them a lot in Greek, okay. So I have this here diagram, let's say some pictures, okay, to help you even more, okay. So we have μέσα σε, that means in Greek, πάνω σε, that means on, κάτω από, that means under, okay. For example, let me use this one. Το βιβλίο, okay, είναι, okay, κάτω από το τραπέζι, από το τραπέζι. That means that the book is under the table, okay. Let's test our theory. Okay, κάτω από, it's the preposition, okay, one of the most, let's say, common ones, από. Then, let me use a marker, very good. Από, the preposition. Το τραπέζι, it's neuter in the accusative, so check, neuter in the accusative. And yeah, that is how it works, okay. Κάτω από. Δίπλα σε, it's next to. We say it's always combined, okay. If we have say here, it will be είναι δίπλα στο τραπέζι, είναι δίπλα στο τραπέζι, okay. So I will, you see, this is how it works. And then we have πίσω από, that means behind, μπροστά από, in front of, ανάμεσα σε, it's in between, απέναντι από, across from, πάνω από, it's above, κοντά σε, it's near to, μακριά από, it's far from, and μεταξύ, it's among. Okay? Again, if you have time, you can check all the other prepositions that we have in Greek, but I will advise you, and the most important ones are these that we talk in the 6th page, okay? The 6th page, okay? So now, let's do a small exercise together in some prepositions, okay? So we have to choose the right preposition, okay? Let's see. Το ποτήρι, the glass is στο τραπέζι. Είναι από, I don't see any article, είναι for, είναι με, with the table. No. I think the right answer is το ποτήρι είναι στο τραπέζι. Okay? Then, πηγαίνω, where I go? I go to work, πηγαίνω στη δουλειά κάθε μέρα. Με, we said, is with, pro, it's towards, okay? when we are moving, and χωρίς it's without. Okay, so πηγαίνω στην δουλειά. Of course, I will leave a link at the description so you can play your game again if you want by yourself. Το βιβλίο είναι πίσω από το καρέκλα, κάτω από το καρέκλα, πάνω στην καρέκλα ή μπροστά σε. It can be because we said that σε it's always combined, like this, okay? Πίσω από το καρέκλα it can be because καρέκλα it's feminine, κάτω από we don't see an article, so πάνω στην καρέκλα. This is the right one. Okay? Μένω από Αθήνα. From Athens. I live from Athens. No. With Αθήνα. No. Without Αθήνα. No. Μένω στην Αθήνα. Okay? I live in Athens. Το αυτοκίνητο είναι, let's say, πάνω σε it can be, okay, on, because also we say it's combined. Προς το σπίτι, no. It's when we say towards, it means προς. Okay? Κάτω από το σπίτι, maybe. Okay, we can say. Or πίσω από το σπίτι. Okay. Κάτω από το σπίτι is a little bit difficult, okay, to be. Okay, but πίσω από το σπίτι, okay, it's behind the house. Okay, κάτω από is under. Okay, so κάτω από is under. Θέλω καφέ, I want a coffee, sugar. So, από ζάχαρη, from sugar. In ζάχαρη, for ζάχαρη, maybe without, χωρίς ζάχαρη. That is the right answer. Here, περπατάω, I walk, park. Περπατάω μέσα από πάρκο, περπατάω στο πάρκο, okay, in the park, στην πάρκο, για πάρκο. Always we have to check also the gender, okay? So here it's neuter. So our yes is περπατάω στο πάρκο. Okay. Το παιδί είναι από from school, with school, without school. I think το παιδί είναι στο σχολείο. Okay. Το κλειδί είναι πάνω σε, it can be, we said it's on because it's combined, σε, it's always combined. Πίσω από την πόρτα, okay. Μπροστά σε, again it has to be combined, so we have only two options. Or κάτω, πίσω από. Κάτω, like this, it doesn't work, okay. Κάτω την πόρτα, it's not proper Greek. Πίσω από, behind the door. Πίσω από την πόρτα. And here, it's very, very important, and I want to show you something else, okay? When we use the hours in Greek, okay, we use here this stis, okay? So, for example, the dinner, okay, το δείπνο, είναι στις, let's say, 5 η ώρα, at 5 o'clock, okay? Το μάθημα, the lesson, είναι στις 8 η ώρα. You see? So I will always use this stis. So in this case, because we have η συνάντηση, the meeting is, για, no. It's like από, no. Με, no. So it's στις 3. Very, very important to know that. So with meetings, with the hour, okay, στις 5 η ώρα, we use this στις. Very, very, very important thing. Okay? So this was the game, and this was the ebook, of course. And the ebook, you can download it for free, okay? I will put the link in the description, and the game, you can play it again if you like, okay? And if you have any questions, you can write it on the comments below, and I will happy to receive your comments, okay? And yeah, thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ, and I will see you next time. Γεια σας.